what I found for sale already. Thank you to my local supermarket. One Formula One race car. Let's see. Let's open it. And yes, it is exactly what it says it is. Look, we got instructions. It's always good. It's the first one of these I've seen. Can't see anybody else got one yet. Well, let's have a look at how we make them. There's lots of little bits. Now, I'm not a big Lego builder, so what can I say? I'm also a bit fingers and thumbs tonight. But yeah, well, we got an orange car. Who knows which team that is? Because I don't. But yeah, we got one. So pop them on. Oh dear. Yeah, interesting actually. Oh, it's a McLaren. Well, that's handy, isn't it? So, they're quite fiddly actually. Are they more fun than minifigures? I don't know. I got to kind of have a love affair with the minifigures, so we'll see. Yeah, let's try and work out where all these bits go. Oh, like that. Looking for the side pods. There it is. They're quite good. It's a bit windy out here, but I'm doing it outdoors because I haven't got much light indoors. But hey ho. Oh, see what I mean about the wind? I'm sure you can hear in the background the wind chimes. Which other bits have we got? I think that bit's there, isn't it? Only thing I found about these, even with the minifigures, they're not the best instructions in the world. Have we got that far? Not one bit I want. I want that bit, and then I want a square black one. But we have fun in life. Well, where is that bit? It's interesting. I think it'll have to be that bit there. Which is good, but well, that looks alright. But where does it go? I don't know. Look at that. It's fairly quick actually. I'm quite enjoying doing this. Yeah. Now what have we got in the wrong place here? That one. That's wrong. That's why, because I wasn't paying attention. Just like that. Oop, no faces. That's a shame. And it's white. Well, we've almost got a car. And well, looks like we've got to build the tyres. Wow. Look at that, we can even do our own pit stops and change the tyres. Fun for some of you. I hope this video is working. Well, what's left to go on? There's that bit there. Then we have 4 bits left over, which don't appear to have a home. I don't see them anywhere, and maybe I'm missing a bit. But apart from putting that bit on back to front, I don't think we've done too bad here. There we go. Apparently a McLaren Formula 1 minifigure. All done.